and I can show you what it means to be able to deploy your own AI open source model and then chat to it. Give us a thumbs up or a hands up in the chat. Do you have a Web3 wallet? Do you have an Ethereum wallet, MetaMask, Phantom? So fantastic. So, you know, a huge percentage of people here have a Web3 wallet. And this is really, really powerful. So you can build an application, a business, and all you need is that Web3 wallet. You don't need your dad's credit card to be able to start using an AI service. You can spin something up just with that wallet. So this is a very simple example of an application. So what we're going to do is select the 1.5 billion parameter model. But when I talk about Skyscanner, it's similar to, say, Grab or Lazada or Uber, Airbnb. They take a lot of the services, it could be products, and then it lists them so you can see every product that you have available in real time, and then select the server that you want to use. So deploy this, so I'll select 30-minute free trial out of the 10 servers that are there for you. The other quick thing I wanted to talk about is OpenxAI is releasing an app store. So anything you build on OpenxAI, you can very quickly attach a smart contract to and start charging users. One of the big innovations OpenxAI has done is you might have an AI model that converts an image from real life image into a Ghibli image, like a cartoon, and you might charge 1 cent for that image. So people can do that with Web3. You can't do that with Web2. So like I said, it's very expensive. Most of the time you'd have to charge like $20 per month, $50 a month for some of these AI services. But when you talk about decentralized wholesale bare metal, low cost providers for hardware, then you also talk about open source models, no licensing because it's all the software stacks open source as well. You can really get the cost down for your application and start charging like 1 cent per use. So it really does open up new business models. So what we'll do is just decide later and we'll hit deploy. I'll just let that run. So it's deployed NixOS onto a bare metal operating system. It's installed Linux. It did it very quickly. I think it does it in like 1 or 2 minutes. It then spends some time downloading the 1.5 billion parameter models, a couple of gigs. It's installed that, it's installed the operating system, it's installed the packages required to run it. So this could be Python, it could be Next.js, JavaScript. Then it installs another package called Olama, which is an open source framework. It's a backend framework that runs the LLM model, which, like I said, is DeepSeek R1. So it's a LLM or model management software, Open Web UI. And this is a front end. It's a chatbot, typical ChatGPT styled front end website, which talks to the back end Olama. Olama is running in the background. And then if you go up to the Olama model downloader, it's downloaded this model and it's done all that. And now what it means is I can go up here and go to app. It's generated a new custom URL. I've opened the URL, which is this new tab, and then it's loaded up DeepSeek R1. So just like ChatGPT or some closed source model website, this is an open source model that only you control. So when you click deploy, only you have control of this model for the next half an hour. So this whole server, the web cloud server, the operating system, the model, this chatbot is yours for half an hour. Obviously, if you want to deploy an app 24/7, then you pay that wholesale cheap rate and get a server. You can also upload, say, if you had some university textbook or something, you can upload files and then have the chatbot read PDF files or images. A lot of cool stuff. All right, cameras on, guys. All right, there's 133 other people. It's great to see your faces.
Smile. In 3, 2, 1.
Was that a guy with a motorbike helmet on? That was cool.
So I would like to properly thank you guys for joining our vibe coding session tonight. And I would like to thank START-DOST for collaborating with us. A big thank you to John for teaching and for bringing this opportunity to Philippines. Congratulations, everyone. And thank you so much. Thank you, everyone.
Salamat.
Salamat.